My name is Stuart Frith, been with the company for 10 years, Director of Sales. We have been established for 25 years, manufacturing armoured vehicles throughout the world in hostile environments. The Gepard ASV is an armoured support vehicle. The vehicle is a Ford F550 chassis, 145 wheelbase. We integrate an armoured hull, 4-door configuration for the Gepard. So the interior, we have a driver and commander with 5 to 6 crew in the rear compartment. With the rear compartment, we have an option of including a remote weapon system to the vehicle itself. So the vehicle can be fitted with a remote weapon system of a 12.7mm. The Gepard is an armoured support vehicle, and we utilise the rear of the vehicle for additional equipment to support the fleet on the ground. It has a maximum payload of 1,500 kilos. The Python LAMV, light armoured mobility vehicle, comes in a number of configurations. The vehicle comes in a Toyota Land Cruiser 79 chassis, 4.5 litre, or can also come in a Toyota 200 series, 4.5, 4.6 or 5.7. The configuration of the armoured hull will come in a B6 or B7, mounted directly to the chassis. The configuration can come in either 3-door, 5-door or 2-door open plan for rear dismounts of a QRF team, quick reaction force. This is a 3-door configuration, B6, consisting of a driver and commander with face-to-face seating in the rear or for dismount. The interior, this configuration has 4+4 face-to-face for dismounts, with 1 gunner seat in the centre and gunner stand. So on the roof we have a manual turret, which can also be integrated to a remote weapon system up to a 12.7mm. The Python has become a very important vehicle to Streit Group. On the market now, we start mass producing the vehicles with multiple configurations. The Python is a B7 vehicle using explosive floor and armoured ballistic pillars, firewall, roof, bulkhead. This one, it has a 4-door configuration consisting for driver, commander and dismounts in the rear, 2+2 face-to-face seating. This vehicle is very popular with us, and we've integrated a manual turret and also an option for remote weapon systems. The Falcon is a newly launched product of Streit Group in the AAD. It's an armoured personnel carrier that has multiple options of carrying troops or even utilised as a cargo transporter. So the Falcon is a B6, B7 standard level 2 protection. It can be fitted with a Cummins engine with Allison transmission, reaching speeds up to 110, 120 kilometers per hour. The inside of the Falcon is very interesting. You have a driver commander with the dismounts in the rear, 4+3, face-to-face. You can also remove the seats with quick release and use as a cargo truck if required. So Streit have now started producing armoured boats. This is the Triton. It's an 8-metre boat with a twin Mercury 350 engine. The hull is a HDPE with the cabin as an armoured B6. We're also now doing a 10-metre with an armoured B7 cabin. The Triton can also be mounted with a remote weapon system, as you can see to my right. Streit Group is authorised dealer for the SHERP for 50 countries around the world. It's an all-terrain vehicle, and its capabilities are traveling through any surface, let it be water, sand, snow, ice, any obstacle throughout the jungle, with an obstacle height of 1 feet in height. The SHERP has a volume of 800 litres for each wheel. Also has a central tire inflation system running directly from the exhaust fumes of the vehicle. Inflation time is estimated 30 seconds. The SHERP's engine is a 1.5 litre Kubota engine. The seating configuration is driver and commander with 6 in the rear. So with the SHERP we have an option on armouring, B4 to B6 using composites. So the speed of the vehicle is 45 kilometers on land, 6 kilometers in open water.